Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've opened the document and saved a quick backup. That protects your layout. First, click the picture you want to replace so Word highlights it. Take note of size, wrap setting, and position because you'll reapply them. Then, locate the replacement file on your computer and check its aspect ratio and resolution so it won't distort. Once done, keep Word visible and the image folder open for the immediate next step. Right-click the selected image and choose Change Picture, or use the Insert Pictures route if change isn't available. Select from a file, pick your new image, and confirm. Word often offers Keep Source formatting. Use it to preserve size and styles. Next, resize with the corner handles and use Crop to fix framing. Make sure text wrapping and alignment match the original so surrounding text stays stable. These steps retain. After inserting and adjusting, scroll the document to confirm alignment and spacing remain intact across pages. If text or tables have shifted, undo the change and reapply the original wrap and anchor settings. Sometimes switching the image to inline temporarily stabilizes layout. If the replacement looks stretched, choose an image with the same aspect ratio or crop to match. Finally, save the document under a new name when satisfied. If problems persist, revert to the backup and repeat with a differently sized image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.